Volume.
I don't need.
Oh no, it's 20 and 20.
I don't need you to love me. I don't need you to love. I got my sister. I can feel her now. She may not be here. She's still mine. She still loves me. Got my children. I can't hold them now. They may not be here, but they still mine. They know I still love them. Got my house, it still keep the cold out. Got my chair when my body can hold out. Got my hands doing good like they're supposed to. Showing my heart to the folks that I'm close to. Got my eyes, though they don't see as far now. They see more about how things really are now. I'm gonna take a deep breath. Gonna hold my head up. Gonna put my shoulders back and look you straight in the eye. I'm gonna flirt with somebody when they walk by. I'm gonna sing out, sing out. I believe I have inside of me everything that I need to live a bountiful life, and all the love in me stays as tall as the tallest tree. 'Cause I'm thankful for every day that I'm living, both the easy and hard ones I'm living. But most of all, I'm thankful for loving who I really am. I'm beautiful. Yes, I'm beautiful. And I'm If I look fat, I'm gonna be so mad.
I wish I could play jazz. I wish you could sing jazz.
Shut up.
Oh no,
we don't have time.
Because she's gonna get home.
Just feel it in your bones.
It's very hard to feel it when you're out of time.
Wow.